Hello, I'm Francisco Matelli from f5sites.com, a website and application development company, and I'm launching this complete Angular course. My brother wants to learn programming to make some extra money with freelancing, so I'm going to help him and launch this complete course on YouTube. The first question he asked me was, but what is Angular? Here's an analogy to explain Angular. Imagining you are building a house. Angular is like a complete modular construction kit. It comes with everything you need from basic tools, hammer, nails, wood, to instructions for assembling each part of the house, walls, windows, doors. And the best part, the pieces are modular and reusable. This means that once you build a window or a door, you can use them in any other room of the house without having to start from scratch. In Angular, these parts of the house are the components. Each component is like a building block that you assemble, adjust, and reuse in different places. The framework comes with a roadmap to help you navigating, routing, and tools to connect everything in a smart and efficient way, like two-way data binding, which is like having a team that automatically adjusts any changes you make to the plans while the house is being built. Just as a house needs centralizing planning to ensure that all the parts fit together, Angular helps keep everything organized, so your application's development flows smoothly without confusion. In summary, Angular is like having a construction company with all the resources ready for you to create your digital house, whether it is small or large, with all the parts working together. In the next video, we will be a bit more technical. This was just an analogy for the introduction.